I clean the lathe before each ring. I mount the ring on a special mandrel. A clean sheet of paper is placed under the ring to catch anything that may fall. I build up several layers of a base pigment to reflect light. I begin adding the first layer of opal, working in small sections at a time and ensuring there are no gaps where the pigment may show. I do this until the whole inlay channel is filled. I use a special tool to pick up individual pieces of the memorial ashes and place each piece within the opal. I make sure it is set lower than the side walls of the band. This guarantees that it remains untouched when I sand the inlay later. After every few pieces, I add more opal. This must be done evenly so the finished string sparkles when viewed from all sides. Once the channel is completely filled, I coat the whole inlay in up to 10 thin layers of CA glue. Once the inlay is set hard, I sand it back to be slightly lower than the side walls. Remember, the ashes are much lower down and safe. Then I add several more thin layers of CA and sand it smooth. This adds a huge amount of strength to the inlay and protects the precious memorial ashes. I start with 240 grit sandpaper and work up to 12,000 grit. After that, the ring is polished with several different polishes for a true mirror finish. Finally, the ring is inspected before being carefully packaged and sent straight to you. It means the world to me to be asked to make something so precious. Thank you so much.